In this video, we'll be seeing MCQ based questions for computer science Python. Review chapter. The first one. We have a list which is being printed with the help of slicing. 1:2 means something like this, only one. The next one goes :3 means we should have 0 and 1 and 2, and that too in a form of a list. That too in a form of a list. It means that we are never going to have an output like this because over here it's a collection of tuple. So let us see whether we have 4 and at the first place or no. So as per the MCQs given like A and B, this is the one which is having 4 at the first place. Let's check the answer. Yes, this is correct. Let's go to the next question now. We have a list once again which is having elements like 2, 4, 5, 8, 10 and 15. A nested list which is having 1, 2 and 3 followed by at second index 4, 5 and 6. 0 or 2 means 0, 2. So this goes my 0 list of L2, and this will be 0 and 1 and 2 means at this place I'm going to have something like 2. So at this place wherever I'm going to have something like 2 and which will be printed at the second place, the printing will be there at the second place. So it means that C was the option where the printing was done at the second place with the changes made to it. Let us see question number 3. Now we have a list with numbers, a nested list with numbers and string both. This is used for the purpose of extend. This also is extending the list to now, so that both the list have the new added value. Now range 15 to 20 means 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 should be added. So we have 15 to 19 being added at all three places. But in option number C, once again we have round bracket means tuple, and at this stage we don't have any tuple at any place. So we are left with A and B. Let us see the change of line. Do we have change of line? Over here, yes, we do have, and over here we don't have. Although at the time of printing, we are following the change of line. So let's see the answer. Answer number A. Let's go to the next one. The simple length of the list. Colon means if the length is 5, then 5 colon. And what are we doing? We are adding 45 and 67. So we are adding 45 and 67. Once again, tuple is of no use. So these two options are left. If we see it gently, then we have something like A as the answer, because at no place I am using the append method where the two elements are being added at one time. Let's see the next question now. The next question says 45 and 67 are to be added. So once again, we have 45 and 67 being added at two places. Here goes option A. Let's see the list. When I'll do pop means I'm going to remove 5. When I'll do pop 2, 0, 1, 2, we're going to remove 4. There should be no 4. There should be no 5. And pop 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So as per the index, we are going to have this in the form of a list. We can't have something in round brackets. We can't have something without brackets. Question number 7 now. A list which will get itself clear. The list will remain there. And when I'm going to print the list, then the answer will be something like this, an empty list. you cannot say that there's no output. Output will be there, but output will be there in the form of empty brackets. Let's see the next question. We are deleting the list. And now if I am going to print this, when I'm going to delete the list and now I'm going to print this, then the answer will be what obvious? Error. Error says that yes, you now cannot have that variable being present with you. I'm going to sort the list in reverse order. When I'm going to sort the list and that too in reverse order, so my largest element is 10. 10 should come at the beginning. 10 should come at the beginning. So we have answer as D. The last question in the same set. The list, and I wish to find the index of 5. The problem is we have 5 here also and here also. Since nothing is given, let's give importance to the first 5, which is at number 3. Thank you for watching. Wait for the next round of questions. All the best for your coming exams.